Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating F22 error code on your Whirlpool dryer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself in 2025. This is a common issue that can disrupt your laundry routine, but don't worry, most fixes are straightforward and don't require professional help. First off, let's break down what the F22 error code actually means. In Whirlpool dryers, the F22 error typically indicates a problem with the dryer's exhaust thermistor or moisture sensor system. Essentially, it's telling you that the dryer isn't detecting the right temperature or moisture levels, which can lead to inefficient drying or the machine shutting down prematurely. Now, what causes this error? There are a few common culprits. One major cause is a clogged vent or exhaust duct. Lint buildup over time can restrict airflow, making the dryer work harder than it should. Another possibility is a faulty thermistor or sensor, which might be worn out from regular use. Environmental factors, like a dirty filter or even issues with the dryer's heating element, can also trigger this code. In rare cases, it could point to wiring problems or a malfunctioning control board. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start with the basics. Unplug your dryer for safety, then check and clean the lint filter and exhaust vent. Use a vacuum or a brush to remove any buildup. This simple step resolves the issue about 50% of the time. Next, inspect the vent hose for kinks or blockages and ensure it's properly connected. If that doesn't work, you might need to test the thermistor. Grab a multimeter to check its resistance. It should read between 9,000 to 12,000 ohms at room temperature. If it's off, replace it. Parts are affordable and available online. Always double-check your user manual for your specific model, as steps can vary. If you've tried these and the error persists, it might be time to call a technician, especially if you're not comfortable with electrical components. Remember, safety first, never work on an appliance that's plugged in. There you have it, folks. You've now got the tools to tackle that F22 error and get your dryer running smoothly again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.